Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer your T-Mobile SIM to an eSIM on your Android phone so you can enjoy a SIM-free experience. If you're trying to switch your physical T-Mobile SIM to an eSIM, it's usually because you want to free up the SIM slot, use dual SIMs, or replace a damaged SIM. Many users get stuck when the option doesn't appear or they're unsure how to generate the eSIM QR code. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the exact steps to transfer your number safely and activate it on your Android device without losing service. Now let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check eSIM compatibility. Before starting, make sure your Android phone supports eSIM and is compatible with T-Mobile. Most newer Samsung and Google Pixel phones have eSIM support built in. Step 2. Open T-Mobile app or mytmobile.com. Log into your T-Mobile account via the app or my.tmobile.com. You'll need your account credentials handy to verify your identity. Step 3. Request eSIM conversion. In the app or website, go to Lines and Devices and select the line you want to convert. Tap Convert to eSIM or Switch to eSIM. You'll receive a QR code to activate the eSIM on your Android device. If the option isn't visible, try updating the app or contacting T-Mobile support. They can generate the QR code manually. Step 4. Add eSIM on your Android phone. On your phone, go to Settings, Connections, SIM Card Manager, Add Mobile Plan or similar path depending on your device. Scan the QR code provided by T-Mobile. Step 5. Activate the eSIM. Follow the prompts to activate your eSIM. Once the process finishes, your physical SIM line will transfer to the eSIM. You may need to restart your phone to complete the activation. Step 6. Test your connection. Make a call, send a text, or check mobile data to ensure your number is working on the eSIM. Important notes. Keep your physical SIM until the eSIM is fully activated in case anything goes wrong. Only the primary account holder can request the eSIM conversion. And some older Android models may not support eSIM activation. Check T-Mobile's compatibility list. And that's it. Your T-Mobile SIM should now be successfully transferred to an eSIM on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile tips.